Hey, what's up, we back. Reacting to racist Cartman commits hate crime.
Yep.
Nothing new.
Nothing new.
He's fucked up.
He's fucked.
On your mark. Go. We win again.
That's not fair. Cartman's ass is so fat, he makes your sled go faster.
Hey, don't call me fat, Token. We want to use the sleds now, butt pirates.
Girls don't even know how to sled. Do something else.
I bet we can sled 10 times better than you, donut punchers. How about a race down a real hill then? Your best four sledders against our best four sledders. See you there, and may the best woman win, turd burglars.
How the hell is the mountain so green? It makes no sense.
Oh boy, we'll show them. Yeah, why? Us men will show those skanky hoes who's who.
Yeah, and with Cartman's enormously fat ass, the boys are sure to win.
Token, I swear to God. Stop.
Oh!
And what you need to understand is that this is not appropriate behavior, young man. You've got to learn to respect your little friends. You're gonna have detention for 2 weeks.
No way.
Yes way, okay? And that settles it. Now let's all go.
I'm Agent Sharp, and this is Agent Keen. We're with the FBI. Since the victim in this case is African American, this is considered a hate crime.
New laws have been passed that make any crime based on race, ethnicity, or sexual orientation a federal offense.
Your son will be taken into custody and then tried in the federal court of law.
Eric Cartman, you have been found guilty of committing a hate crime. For this I sentence you to prison until you turn 21. I am making an example of you to send a message out to people everywhere that if you want to hurt another human being, you better make sure they're the same color as you are.
Escort this little bastard to juvenile hall. Ready to go.
Kenny, you have to get me out of town. They're gonna put me in jail for a hate crime. You have to take me to Mexico.
What the hell is this?
A car chase is evolving on the 285 corridor east of South Park. Hate crime suspect Eric Cartman is trying to outrun federal prosecutors in his friend's Go-Go Action Bronco.
Damn it, Kenny, can't this thing go any faster?
Stop the Go-Go Action Bronco and come out with your hands up.
Jesus, he's gonna ram it!
We're gonna make it, Kenny. We're gonna make it to Mexico. All right, guys, it looks like Cartman's not gonna be able to sled with us for about another 13 years. Yeah, Cartman's weight was what gave us speed. So we need to find the next fattest kid besides Cartman. I think Clyde is the next fattest kid.
Cartman's gone, so now you're the fat kid.
Yeah, fattass, get your fat butt on the sled.
Hey, I'm not fat, you guys. I'm just kind of big bone.
Go. Okay, dude. We don't even have enough weight to move. See you Saturday, food stabbers. Okay, we figured it out. To add more weight to the sled, we're gonna use these bricks.
Wanna fall on top
We killed Kenny.
We killed Kenny.
Kill Kenny, we're bastards. Nothing else is gonna work. We have to face the fact that without Cartman, we're gonna lose to a bunch of girls. I think we all took Cartman's ass for granted.
Yep. If only we had realized how special our time with his gigantic ass was. All that time we didn't understand what...
The adjectives that they use, it's like, yo. What's going on?
Unique and magical as it was.
That does it. We've got no other choice. We've got to bust Cartman out of jail.
Huh? How?
I saw a movie once where they baked a cake and put a nail file inside of it.
Sweet, let's go. All right, badass. How's prison?
Wait, sucks balls. What do you think? Cartman, why the hell did you have to commit a hate crime? We're gonna lose to girls because of you.
Yeah, so you gotta bust out of here. So we made you this cake.
I'd love to eat a cake, you guys, but they don't let us take anything back to the cells from here. That sucks. We couldn't give him the nail file.
So now what do?
There's only one thing we can do. We have to go see Token and see if he'll forgive Cartman for hate criming him. Come on, we're running out of time.
Hate crime.
Hello? Hi, can Token come out and play? Token, you don't want to see us guys lose to girls tomorrow, do you?
No.
Well, then you've got to call the jail right now and tell them that you forgive Cartman for being a dumbass.
The only person that can let Eric out of juvenile hall is the governor. I'd love to see you kids go down and give the governor a piece of my mind.
Well, why don't you tell the governor yourself?
Oh, he wouldn't listen to me.
Why not?
Because I'm black.
Oh.
Hello, Mr. Governor, and thank you for taking the time to hear our presentation on hate crime laws. Yes, over the past few years, our great country has been developing new hate crime laws.
If somebody kills somebody, it's a crime. But if someone kills somebody of a different color, it's a hate crime.
Because all crimes are hate crimes. If a man beats another man because that man was sleeping with his wife, Is that not a hate crime?
The motivation for a crime shouldn't affect the sentencing.
Mayor, it is time to stop splitting people into groups.
But instead, we should all be treated the same, with the same laws and the same punishments for the same crimes.
That is our presentation.
That made the most sense of any presentation I've heard in the last 3 years.
Just wait. We got Cartman pardoned. He'll be here any second.
He's got to show up. He's just got to.
Yeah, if you're too scared to race, just say so.
All right, where's Clyde?
Right here.
Get on the sled, you fat piece of shit. Last time I'm not fat, so stop calling me fat, goddammit! Yay!
Oh, thank you. Thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What the hell's wrong with Clyde? On your marks, get set, go! There, there. Go, fat ass!
Come on, we gotta catch up to them.
We got him, girls! Oh no, the girls are gonna win!
We did it!
It's
What
good
did
to
I
have you back,
just-
Cartman.
Yeah, we're never gonna take your ass for granted ever again.
Yeah, and
fuck
I'm
was
never gonna take
that?
my friends for granted ever again. Let's all hear it for Cartman's big fat ass. Do British people count as an ethnicity for hate crimes?
I guess it because none of them were black.
Look, the girls jumped off a cliff.
But yeah, that was racist Cartman commits hate crime. That's crazy. Peace,
That
like,
is
subscribe, and yeah.
South Park is.
We'll see you next time.
People who make South Park are mentally challenged. There's no way in your right mind you can make jokes like, it's like, what the fuck?